Start.
Hey guys, we're Film Camera Tokyo, and today we brought out the Pentax 67II. We want to show you how this beast takes photos out on the streets. We're walking from our store all the way to Yoyogi Park. We put some Porsche 400 in here, and we're just going to see how this works. Let's go. Get some crows.
So what about 105? And then
105?
yeah, it's good for portrait.
It's great for portraits. You get a really good depth of field. We have a bunch of different lenses with us. Now we're putting on our 75. This lens can get pretty close to subjects, unlike the 105. The 105 is about a meter distance. If we're talking about meters, it's 0.41, about 1.35 feet. That's pretty close. So we're gonna put this on, take some macro shots, and see what we can get. I really enjoyed shooting with this camera today. The features on this version of the Pentax 67 really helps you out while you're shooting. such as aperture priority mode and other metering modes. That's the main standout between the first and second one. It's definitely a heavier camera, which makes it difficult to shoot. It's so clunky, but if you're doing portraits or landscapes, it really isn't a problem. It's probably just as heavy as the Mamiya RB67. But I think the main reason people would buy the Pentax 67 is because of the 105-24 lens. The bokeh on it is just so great, and it's a really sharp lens. And I can just really tell why while shooting it. Now, if you were to ask me if the Pentax 67 is worth getting compared to the Pentax 67II, I would tell you that it's definitely worth it. It takes a little bit longer to meter and adjust the settings because it doesn't have aperture priority, but that's not a big deal. Pentax 67II is about double the price of the Pentax 67, so if you want to save some money, getting the first one is a lot better. Well, that's it for this episode. We'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys.